All right, so I know there's a lot of controversy on the topic of whether or not the pedal commander is actually worth the money you spend on it, and does it work or does it not. It's not a horsepower gainer by any means. It just changes the throttle mapping. I've had it for a day. I got it in yesterday. I installed it. I'm going to put the install video in this video so you guys can see exactly how to do it. It's about a 5-second process to change everything out and get it set up, and then it comes with a little Velcro piece you can just stick on the dashboard and stick the little throttle commander piece right up on the dashboard, and you're good to go. I'll explain to you guys how to use it and show you guys how to use it in all the different modes and stuff. But I've had it for a day. I haven't done too much testing on it, but from the moment that I installed it on the Jeep, my throttle response was completely instant. Like, it's almost insane on Sport Plus 4, because you have a bunch of different options that you'll see later on in this video, but Sport Plus 4 is immediately what I went to because I'm a big motorhead for just like speed. And immediately, it had so much power through my phone into my chest, and I was looking for the video because I was going to upload it into this one. But for some reason I can't find it. But take my word for it that it's a big difference. It is extremely touchy when you go to step on the gas. Like, you barely even have to touch the gas and you're already shooting RPMs like it's nothing. For anyone looking to just have some fun, I have the 3.6 V6 Penstar motor in this Jeep. And anybody looking just to get some, power and fun out of this motor, this is definitely the way to go. The price, I feel like they could lower it a little bit, but I'm not dissing myself for buying this product. I do enjoy the fact that I have it now. It's well worth the money. It could be cheaper, but it's well worth what I paid for it. And I'm going to show you guys what it is, so let's get into it. Alright, so right out the package, it's going to look like this. It's going to come with a wire with 2 different connectors on the end of this wire. One will just go into the top of the throttle, replacing the original wire that was in there, and then the original wire is going to plug into the other connecting part that's already on this piece at the end of this wire. And then you're good to go. From there, just turn the car on, and this thing is going to turn on. It's going to flash all of these, and then it might or might not show which one it ends up on. I think it starts on city, but to change it, all you have to do is tap on this little star to get to city, sport plus, and then to get to eco, hold it, and it brings you right to eco. For any of the modes on here though, you have the option of going 4 down and 4 up. Okay, so obviously going the higher you go up, the more power you're giving yourself, and the more you go down, the less power you're giving yourself for the throttle. I'm assuming it works kind of like the like cars that are programmed like SRT and stuff like that are programmed with chauffeur's mode or something, or valet mode. So when you give your car over to somebody else, if you want them to not rag on it, I guess you guys could just put it in eco number 4 or go all the way down to eco number 4, and they'd probably be super bored of your car and not even want to touch it. But we're gonna go ahead and put it into Sport Plus mode, number 4. And so immediately, you guys can see there is absolutely no lag whatsoever when I go to step on the throttle itself. But we're gonna put it in drive, and I'm gonna show you guys just how touchy this thing can be. And see, I'm just feathering this gas pedal, like I'm barely touching it, and it's absolutely just responsive. There's no lag whatsoever. Sport Plus 4 I would only recommend for, you know, if you're trying to do some races, or, you know, showing out at a car meet, or showing off to a buddy or something, just to do like a you know, maybe a YouTube video showing, you know, trying to scare people or something. But it unlocks a lot of the throttle power that I didn't know my car had. So for Sport Plus, that's Sport Plus number 4. I haven't had the opportunity, I mean I have, but I haven't taken the opportunity to check out any of the other modes, so let's do that now. Let's put it into eco mode, and let's say eco mode number 4. Let's see. Oh yeah. See how it's taking a little longer for it to get up? Here, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna floor it, and let's just see exactly how quick we get up to speed. Oh, yeah, I don't like that one bit. Definitely wouldn't choose to drive my car in eco mode. Oh, wow, that is just, this is just Honda Civic style right here. You know, I mean, I know I only got the V6, but it definitely has a lot more potential than what eco mode would be. Now, I guess on long trips, if I was taking a long trip somewhere, I might use eco mode, because it does say that it's supposed to save you about 20%, so they claim, on gas miles, so miles per gallon, 20%, whatever. But yeah, eco mode, unless I'm taking a long trip, not going to use it. City mode, let's put city mode number 4. I'm assuming this is going to be pretty similar to stock, you know, when you first get the Jeep. But again, every one of these I'm just going to floor it, so let's just see how this one performs. Yeah, pretty similar to stock. It's a little bit more get up and go than eco mode, but it's not that much of a step up. It's like a tad bit more than regular, you know, when you first get the Jeep and you don't have this installed. But it's not far from eco mode by any means. So yeah, I mean, if you just, you know, if you were giving this car to a buddy or something and you just wanted them to have some fun with it, you could probably put it in city mode number 4, or maybe sport mode number 1. We're gonna put it in sport mode now and put it in sport 4, and let's see how that reacts. All right. Okay, that actually kind of had me, I do have an all-wheel drive car, and trying to mash the pedal around the corner like that actually kind of had me sliding a little bit. You know, obviously I don't think I can drift this car with the weather conditions and the, you know, pavement conditions being dry and stuff, but yeah, it had a little bit of a get up and go to it. It's not too bad. I'm pretty impressed for what Sport Mode 4 can do. But then again, we're gonna get right back to Sport Plus 4, which was one of my favorite modes. I'm gonna go ahead and put my pedal commander back up on the dash. See, it comes with a little, I don't know if it'll focus, comes with a little thing, like a little clip that the pedal commander could just come out of and go back in, and on the back of it's just Velcro, so you can go ahead and pull it off and, you know, bring the whole thing up to you if need be. But yeah, it's a little nifty thing right there. And we're gonna show sport mode number 4. I've already shown you guys in the beginning of this video, so let's put sport mode number 4 and then put it in sport mode on the car, and just see how that performs. So actually for this one, I'm going to go to more straightaway road, and we'll have some fun with it. Make sure no cars are coming. No, I can't barely see out of these tents. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see that it jolts you. It's super touchy. I'm going to show you guys right around this corner. Ready? So I tap on the gas and it's just going. It just shoots RPMs like it's, you know, like it's really just trying to go. And I couldn't be more happy with this product, in all honesty. Would I recommend the product to somebody? More than likely. I got it for the simple fact of just having some fun out of my V6 Jeep, but they obviously make different ones for different makes and models of cars. I can't even imagine what it'd be like if I had like a Trackhawk or something. Sorry, it's a little shaky. The road's a little screwed up here. Michigan roads suck. But you know, if I had a Trackhawk or something, the throttle, it would probably just feel like a you know, like you were on the dragster or something. If you've been to Cedar Point. But you know, overall this product has been nothing but good to me. I can't wait to see what kind of cars I can keep up with off the line when I go down and you know, do some racing and stuff out in Mexico. And you know, overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helps you a little bit in steering you into what direction, if you want to buy one or not. You know, like I said earlier, there's a lot of controversy on whether or not this product's worth it and if it works or not. To me, it was worth getting just because I'm having a little bit more fun than I normally would out of my Jeep, and it definitely works. I mean, you guys have seen it. You guys saw all different, you know, all four modes, and without a doubt, you know, this product's gonna, you know, give you that little push that you need in order to really have some fun with these cars. So yeah, I mean, before I end the video, if you're interested in buying this product, I am going to have a link in the description below that you guys will get a coupon to buy this product. I believe it's 20 or 30% off on the product itself. But if you're interested, go ahead, click in the description below, and the link will be there, and just place your order. And another thing is, if you guys haven't already, like I said before, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications for upcoming uploads and videos. With the coronavirus stuff, I don't know how consistent I'm going to be posting to this channel, but I'm going to do my best for you guys. And not every video is going to be about this Jeep, I promise you. I know it's starting to get boring to me, but you know, I'm building the Jeep, and I'm also just trying to figure out other things to, you know, put on this channel until the summer comes around and things really start kicking up. With the coronavirus, everything's kind of dead, everything's shut down, nobody wants to come out, and now we're on a 3-week lockdown. So I'm going to do my best for you guys. So bear with me on that. But yeah, new videos coming soon, as soon as I can get them out to you. Car meets, you know, car reviews, the Jeep build, racing, etc. If you guys don't know, I do run a couple different Instagram pages. One is _day_in_Mexico, and then Justa WK2. They're going to be in the description below too, so if you guys would like to go check those out, please go ahead and give me a follow. And I'm going to end the video here because I'm hungry and I'm going to go get some food. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this kind of helped you out, and stay safe, guys.